Hello, bird. Good morning, bird. What's your ulam? Another day, another vlog for the wild birdie. Wild pigeon. Look at this. They're flying everywhere. Kunting hangin, guys. It's a bit windy. Pag ito bumuka, guys, ang ganda. Ang gandang bulaklak. Hello, ambulance, what happening? There's accident over there maybe. May accident on traffic guys. Ang ganda ito pag magbuka, guys. Bulaklak. Mahangin, parang may ano. Hello, bird. Lumipad na. Nabugaw na sa car. Alright. Let's go, pandang go. Need to move out in here. Let's go. Continue walking. Walking again, guys. Non-stop. Leaves coming out soon. Look at this, a flower. A flower again, look at this. Flower before leaves. Early in the morning is traffic. There's accident maybe. Bye-bye, bird. Let's go continue, guys. Ambulance is still there. Hindi makapas kahit anong gawin. Kasi nasa ilalim sila ng tulay. Better maglakad ka na lang, boy. Maglakad ka na lang. Ganon. Tulip. Hello, tulip. Good morning, tulip. Hello, tulip. Tulip is everywhere now, guys. There, tulip is everywhere. Ang ganda, oh. Look at this, guys. Ang ganda purple. Look at this. Ang ganda. Love it. Tulip is a yellow color. It's a yellow. It's a yellow. This one growing. May na kasi, guys. May is the tulip season. There, tulip too, but it's not growing yet. Nas nauna yun nandoon. Nas nauna yun nandoon. Yung inaalagaan, yung ang matagal lumabas. Yung hindi inaalagaan, yun ang mabilis lumabas. Ano yan? Inaalagaan, mabilis lumabas. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yan? Beautiful weather. Hello. Beautiful weather around. It's nice to walk, walk, walk. Exercise, exercise. Yahoo! Have a blessed Monday. It's traffic over there. Alright, leaves coming out. It's growing. Leaves coming out. It's growing, it's growing. Ang ganda ng green, pinaka-green niya. Green, green, green. This is a rental bike, guys. You can bring anywhere. Yeah, you can rent for the whole month. You can bring in downtown anywhere, as long they have a bike holder, like a bike station. Yes, doesn't matter if you have helmet or without helmet. Traffic talaga doon, nagpuput-putan na sila kasi may constructions doon sa road, naging one way. May police naman doon, so they're safe. Alright, come on, go, go, go. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, 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 walk. May kunting hangin ngayon, guys. I feel it. May kunting hangin. The weather is not same yesterday. Siyempre, iba na ngayon. Monday na ngayon, kahapon is Sunday. Diba? Talaga hindi magkaiba. Sarap maglakad dito sa damuhan. I like walking in damuhan. Mas mas comfy kaysa doon sa cement. Opo. Rose is here. Rose is still, I don't know, surviving. Rose still surviving. Ayan may dahon na, guys. Surviving from the winter na frozen. Ay, ay, ay. Ikaw nga naman ma-frozen ng 6 months. What do you feel? Diba? Oh, ito, nag-brown na rin, no? I think na they frozen. May green, tapos may nag-brown. So that means it's not healthy. It's not healthy living. It's not healthy. Kumbaga sa Ilocano, dinakas kung sa gulay. Dinakasan. Oo. Diba? Oo. Isang araw, guys, I'm going to the mountain for hiking. Oh, ito, rose din ito, guys. But look. Ay. Buhay pa ba? Buhay ka? Parang kang pwede na pagsungrod, Wala. Di na imik. It's not responding me. Parang nagbingi-bingi yan, guys. Ito rin, rose. Is it rose? Yeah. It's rose. This one is better. Ayan, may leaves na, guys. Kumpara mo yung kanina, wala. Ito meron na, See, ang cute. Alright. This road is busy road, guys. Busy road here. Opo. And busy hours. So everyone is going to work. Everyone going somewhere. Everyone is going. Hello, Papa Abdul. Alright. As you can hear guys, may hangin. Doon tayo galing. Diba? Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Hello, gardener. That's the truck of the gardener. Opo. Paglagyan ng mga equipment. The same thing, the flowers. Now, taniman ng mga flowers, guys. Opo, mga gardener, magtatanim ng mga flowers sa mga it's bahay-bahay. May ticket siya. Laka. Dalawa ba? Oo, dalawa. Nako. Mahal niyan. Good luck. Ubos ang pinagpawisan mo the whole week. Ay, wala talaga. Ano ba talaga? Ubos ang kinita na isang linggo. Baka kulang pa. Kasi may ticket na 400 eh. I don't know. Mga ano siguro yun, 200, 100 each. Kasi dalawang ticket, so malamang 200. Opo. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you. God bless us all. Thank you for the support. Hey, bye-bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. May abono na guys.